Thank you friends for your likes and subscribing this channel that encourages me to make more videos for you. This is the last video in this part where we are joining armhole and the sleeves together. In the earlier videos we had cut this dress, made the yoke neck, made the pleats, and this is the full and final last video. If the armhole and the sleeve depth is cut exactly same, like armhole is 7 inch and then sleeve depth or sleeve depth is also 7 inch, after cutting that sleeve would become half inch more than the armhole, right? So it will fit perfectly fine. There would be no difficulty in setting the sleeve with the armhole. But if you still have any difficulty in joining armhole with the sleeve, do let me know in the comment section. I will share my experience and how to overcome that. Okay, watch this video till the last because I'm going to share a very important thing with you, that is the latest designs which you will be making for the festivals or for special occasions. So here I'm giving one link. This link I'll be providing in the below section also, description section also, and you can check the latest designs. So this is the sleeve. We fold it. From that open side of the sleeve, I've taken 5.5 for the sleeve bottom opening, and from the side make a stitch to join the sides. Right, this is a simpler way to join a sleeve, and later on if you want to alter your dress, it will be super easy for you. Till the bottom we made a stitch, and on the bottom you have many options. You can use this kind of a bias tape or a lace stitch the same way as you stitch around your neckline. Stitch, you can it could be wider or shorter. So take this bias tape, join it and stitch around the bottom round, or simply just like me, if you want to make this dress a simpler one, then fold it and make a simple stitch on it. So this is the completion of this dress, and I'm sharing it because some of you wanted this video. This is a simple video, but still if you have any difficulty or if you are doing it for the first time, there could be some difficulties. Don't shy asking me in the comment section. I will make sure that I'll answer you, right? So thank you again for encouraging me with your thumbs ups and your subscriptions. You subscribe to the channel so I keep going posting more and more videos. Take care. Goodbye.